In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Bank of America user ID, whether you're setting up access to your account on a new device or simply need a reminder. Knowing how to find your user ID is crucial. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Bank of America account. To do this, head over to the Bank of America website. You'll need the credentials you use to access your account, which means your current user ID and password. If you're used to using the mobile app, this process is quite similar on both the website and the mobile platform. Make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection, especially if you're using public Wi-Fi. This ensures your sensitive information is protected from unwanted viewers. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Security Center. Now, this might sound daunting, but it's quite straightforward. On the home page of your account, look for the Security Center option. This is the area dedicated to managing and reviewing your security settings. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section since it also contains other important features like updating your password, managing alerts, and reviewing your login history. Now, within the Security Center, you'll find the option to change your user ID. Click on this option. Even though you're not looking to change your user ID, this section will display your current user ID prominently for your reference. This is especially useful if you've forgotten it and need to verify the information for future logins. Take a moment here to also verify all your display security settings and make adjustments if necessary. And there you have it. Your user ID will be displayed on the screen, giving you the information you need. Remember, if you're concerned about forgetting your user ID again, consider noting it down in a secure password manager. This way, you won't have to go through the process of retrieving it each time. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always ensure you're logging out of your account whenever you're done, especially when accessing sensitive information on public or shared devices. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your banking details safe. I hope you found this guide helpful. Accessing and managing your user ID should be quick and uncomplicated, making your online banking experience that much easier. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out more of our content for additional helpful tips on managing your financial accounts effectively.